guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy and delicious zucchini and feta pasta salad. This is a perfect, healthier pasta salad, perfect for barbecues. It has so much flavor in it, it's super yummy, and it doesn't have all that mayo and stuff that you might get in some other pasta or macaroni salads. It has a lot of nice fresh zucchini in it that you're going to throw on your grill, and trust me, this is going to be a new favorite of yours for your summer barbecue. So I have 2 small zucchinis that I chopped up here. I try to make even slices, that way it cooks evenly on the grill, and we're going to drizzle with some olive oil. Before we get this zucchini on the grill, we're going to just do a couple other ingredients. We're going to do a little bit of garlic powder and some salt and pepper. Then after we get it nice and flavored, we're going to mix it up. And if you think you need a little bit more oil at any time, depending on how you're grilling, you're going to want to make sure that it doesn't stick. So go ahead and drop some more in. After that, you're gonna take your zucchini outside to the grill, or you can always cook it inside if you wanna make this pasta salad ahead of your barbecue. So if you are grilling it, you're just gonna dump it on there and get it for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium to high heat. Now, of course, when you're grilling, it depends on where you're cooking it, top rack or down right over the flame. So use your best judgment and you'll know when it's nice and soft that it's ready for your pasta salad. You can always cook your pasta ahead of time, or it's a great time now to get your pasta going. So you're gonna boil up your fusilli and cook as directed on the package, which is usually about for 14 minutes. After that, you're gonna strain the water out of it, get it nice and cool, and get ready to mix in your other ingredients. So now it's time to mix our pasta salad together. So we're gonna grab our zucchini that we grilled up or cooked indoors and our pasta. We're gonna take a whole container of feta cheese. We're gonna make sure our pasta is nice and cool so the cheese doesn't melt. We're gonna mix that in with the zucchini and the pasta, and then add a nice balsamic vinaigrette. I have a homemade recipe if you wanna make that, or you can use any balsamic that you get at the store. You're gonna top it off with some green onion to give it a little bit of that onion flavor, and then you have a delicious zucchini and feta pasta salad. This side dish is one that you are gonna go back to, especially if you get a lot of zucchini in your garden. It is a nice way to have that pasta side dish without all the extra calories of mayo. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.